casting a line, basking in nature's glory, waiting for that telltale tug. Welcome to the art of fishing. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete newbie, there's always something new to learn. First, the basics. Get a good grip. Your fishing rod is your best friend. Hold it firmly, but remember, it's not about brute strength, it's finesse. Next, the cast. A smooth, over-the-shoulder motion. Aim to land your bait in calm waters where fish love to hang out. Patience now is key. Fishing isn't just a sport, it's a meditation, a battle of wills between you and the fish. And when you feel that tug, reel it in, but be gentle. Celebrate your catch, then release it back. Remember, it's not about the size of the catch, but the joy of the chase. Happy fishing, folks.